Hi everyone. I have placed some components in a schematic sheet, but before importing this to a PCB board, it is very important that we should convert the shape of a board as per the mechanical enclosure. So here's the PCB board. We have SOLIDWORKS PCB connector view option wherein the project name is set. Let's push our board to the mechanical designer. Let me write as initial board and send this. As it creates some of the messages, it should be understood by the mechanical designer. We have settings in which we have add-ins through which we get SOLIDWORKS PCB that is connected to the SOLIDWORKS. Let's get to the new board that is of the same project which we have opened in SOLIDWORKS PCB. And we need to save this file and we'll be getting the board which was sent by the PCB designer. We can accept this, make some changes as per the enclosure and give it back to the SOLIDWORKS PCB designer.